Hello, in this video we're going to talk about Pega Standard Customization. Well, what is Pega Standard Customization? Pega Standard Customization is the most common and recommended UI design style used by Pega applications. Pega Standard Customization is the idea to use all the power that Pega offers with your huge set of out-of-the-box features, like controls and skins, without the need to create new components. The goal is to create all design just using out-of-the-box tools, writing the least number of custom code possible. And at the end of this video, we're going to see some of the pros and cons of this design style. Some years ago, Pega was a completely unknown world for us here in Brazil, and the applications built with Pega all had the same poor UI. And after some searches for customized design used by Pega applications, nothing was found really interesting at the time by me. All had the same similar style like this one here. It's true that Pega system improved their out-of-the-box design release by releasing and maintaining their customization easy for us, but I needed to create a customized portal to verify if Pega is powerful enough to accept customized design, and it is. So this is my first Pega application that I customized. I created for study purpose. Everything here was customized. Just the grid here, the grid have the out-of-the-box style, but everything else was customized. As you can see, I have a new structure. I have the header of the portal completely customized with logo, with background, with new sizes. The navigation menu has a special format with a hover behavior, and I have the icon profile here customized as well. So I have a new structure for the portal. I don't have the menu on the left, I have it on the top, so it's a change of the Pega structure. So everything was possible just using out-of-the-box tools. Let's start now the process of my case type, so we can verify some styles that I used for the form. It's a simple flow with just one step, but we can verify the structure of the form. This is the form with the customized styles. I have the disabled field here with the data that I entered before the case creation. As you can see, I'm using icons for the form, so I have a little bit more friendly user interface. I have the radio button here customized with a hover effect, and if I select one of the options of the radio button, it's become red. Let's select the drop down here. So this form was created just using out-of-the-box tools without any problem. This is the goal of the Pega standard customization. Let's try now the mobile version here. This is the mobile version of the application. As you can see, everything is working well on the mobile device without any problem. The radio button is working as well. So everything was made just using the breakpoints of the skin, so without any problem or conflicts. Let's try the header, the menu, the profile, now the side column to create the new case. Everything is working well on the mobile device. As you can see, this is a very simple user interface, but after this customization, I understood that Pega UI isn't rocket surgery. Really, Pega UI is very, very easy to apply your UI branding, to apply your customizations. Using the skins with the controls, it's very easy. The mobile version as well, it's very, very easy to create because you have it just to create your user interface, and the Pega will create the mobile version for you, so it's save time. It's very, very easy. We have just to perform some adjustments on the mobile version. And finally, let's talk about the pros and cons of the Pega standard customization style. Here we have some highlighted pros and cons, and let's talk briefly about them one by one. Let's development effort. If you are using output components, it means that you don't need to spend time to create new ones or to write JavaScript or to match CSS code. You already have everything that you need to build your application. Support granted. It's very easy to find support for out-of-the-box components, but if you are using customized components, you may face some unknown problems by the Pega community. Mobile version. The mobile version is auto-generated without too much effort, but remember, you have to test your application with mobile devices anyway. If you don't test your product with mobile devices, it means that your application is not for mobile. More stability after Pega upgrades. If your application was made following best practices, the percentage of problems after updates is strongly reduced. Reduced maintenance cost. An application that was created with out-of-the-box components is easier than one with customized controls with HTML and JavaScript to maintain. And normally, any resource can work on out-of-the-box components, but if you have a custom component, maybe you need a specialized resource to maintain that component. Usability increased. It's easy to create and use reusable templates with out-of-the-box components, but a custom component should be well designed to mitigate further reusability issues. Return on investment. It's hard to talk about return on investment for all money invested in UX and UI without a real scenario of users to understand their needs and balancing against the company goals. But as using Pega standard customization, we have all these pros that were listed above, so there is a big reason to understand that using this kind of design style shall generate a better ROI. And about the cons of this design style, there is just one, that is the limited design options. You can't use all your creativity to create the interface due to the limitation that standard customization have. You always have to explain why you cannot do this or why you cannot do that to the stakeholders of your project. So these are some of the pros and cons of the standard customization. Of course, you can use custom controls and JavaScript to meet some requirements, but the idea is to use out-of-the-box components to have all benefits that were listed above. Well, this was the video talking about Pega standard customization, and feel free to watch the video Pega advanced customization that is coming up soon. Thanks for watching.